Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. AJ47 back again with another Toprock tutorial. For more videos like this, consider joining my Patreon page. If not, like the video and subscribe if you are new. Let's get into it. Today, I've got a little combination of my own. Well, it's a slight variation of like a rocking and question mark step. So I'm going to show you what this step is kind of made of, so you can learn it first. The first one, you start like a normal cross step, so 1, 2, really easy, but then you're going to lunge forward on the same leg. So it would be, for example, right, left, and now I'm going to lunge forward and still land on my right leg. My left leg is going to stay in the air, and now I'm going to drive this leg for the first 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, lunge forward, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and there's loads of different poses you can do with this, but it's a relatively easy step. I think it's taken from house dance originally, but we use it in breaking, make it a little bit more aggressive sort of thing. Now, the same formula of this step with the first 1, 2, all you have to do is pivot. You see the bottom foot? Watch me twist, boom, 3. And now I have what I call the question mark step, taken from martial arts where they do the question mark kick. That's my interpretation of this step. It's probably called something else, but the question mark kick, question mark step sounds kind of cool. So same thing on the other side, one leg, pivot on the bottom foot, the one that you're standing on, to twist the hips. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and grab the foot, 1, 2, grab the foot. Okay, nice and easy. So that brings me to my combo. Now, for the first part, you're gonna cross over like this, and you're gonna jump into this lunge, okay? So it's very similar to this step that I showed you, but we're just gonna go 1, 2, okay? If you've learned the breather off of me, it's very similar to the breather, which I did in my cardio conditioning follow along tutorial, okay? So you've got the breather, boom, boom, and then you've got the rock, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? Now I've kind of tweaked this a little bit, where instead of going from here and down, because it looks kind of standard, I go from here and I'll jump and touch the back foot. And you don't really expect this. So here, boom, and you touch the back foot. You just literally tap it. So from the back, it will look like this. Boom, boom, like this, okay? And it just makes the shape a little bit more interesting and less expected. So when you're in this position here, you're now gonna change sides into the question mark step. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so musically it'd be 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then from position 4, you'll go 5, 6, other side, 8. Boom. And that's my little rocking combination. And as you guys are aware by now, I'm playing the music organically, so you can see what these steps look like to the actual music. Let's have another look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Have a little practice. There's loads of things you can do with it. As you know, with the steps I teach you, don't just take the step and just learn the step. Try to learn it, master it, and then flip it and variate it, so you guys have more steps on your own, okay? And that's really the goal. I want you to be better at this than me. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.